Hi, it's Keir Starmer here. How's the last few weeks and months been for you then?
A little bit like the Groundhog Day film, really. Yeah, completely lost. We still don't know when we can go back to work.
I did struggle with mental health issues, and I think it's one of those things, I was so surprised how many of my friends, my young male friends, also struggle with it, and some of them don't feel like they can just properly express that.
It's actually 3 months to the day that my mum passed away. She had nobody with her, there was nobody there to hold her hand. We as a family followed the rules so rigidly. My mum had her 70th birthday and we stood outside and waved through the windows.
That's just awful, and it's easy for me to say that, and I can't even imagine what you're going through.
My husband is an NHS nurse, so he's been on the front line. He's had it tough. He would be, not be sleeping because he's been worried about work.
I really hear you there. My wife works in the NHS, and I think there is that sense of the whole nation going through something together and realising we've got to revalue people and what really counts now.
I love this country. I'm proud of this country, of all it's achieved and all it will go on to achieve. This country has given me so much. An NHS that cared for my mother for much of her life. The chance to be the first in my family to go to university, to go on into the law and to lead our Crown Prosecution Service for 5 years. I want these opportunities to be available to everyone, in every village, town and city, every region and nation, whatever your age, background or ethnicity. The United Kingdom is founded on values that I share. They're the values of the Labour Party that I lead. Decency, fairness, opportunity, compassion, security. Those values that have sustained us through this pandemic. The dedication of the British people who brought goods to our doors, who kept our supermarkets open, who put their lives on the line to care for and protect our loved ones. I applaud the businesses that stepped up and stepped in to support the national effort. I look on with pride at the neighbourhoods that came together to look after one another. And I'm in awe of the scientists who are leading the global effort to find a vaccine. We have so much that we can be proud of. This pandemic has also shone a light on how different things can be with Labour. In Wales, Mark Drakeford and his team have protected the NHS and been careful and cautious in dealing with the pandemic. Businesses have been supported with the most generous package anywhere in the United Kingdom. Families have been helped to put food on the table. Teachers, parents and the government have worked together to get children back to school. Despite the fragility of our economy, Wales has shown there is a better way. And we know that across the United Kingdom, things have to change. I profoundly believe that a better future is possible for this country. In Wales, Labour is united, and this is our mission, to win the trust of the British people so that together we can forge that better future. So that together we can make Britain the best place to grow up in and the best place to grow old in.